Hello everybody, so I have now finished doing my French knot stitch, which I'll show you now, but first I'll show you what actually happened when I first started doing it, because this is a stitch I definitely found a bit difficult to get the hang of. So I've started the French knot stitch, which I struggled with at first, but just as I was getting the hang of it, and then I lost my thread and I couldn't understand why it wasn't working until I realised I'd accidentally stitched into the excess bit of linen which was hanging down the side. I'm not quite sure how I've managed it, and I'm sure there'll be an easy way to get it out, but maybe not. So I will get back to you once this has been unstuck, unstitched. So I definitely recommend with this stitch watching Philippa's video a few times. I had to do that and take it literally step by step as she did it, just to get the hang of it. A few tips for this is go slowly at first. That's how I got the hang of it. I went too quick at first and got a bit confused. Also, make sure that your stitch is the right length from the little finger to the elbow. I made that mistake again of having my thread a little bit too long, which definitely got me in a bit of a knot. So this is what the stitch looks like. I think I might go back over the satin stitches here just to raise these a bit. I'm going to do that at the end probably when I've got a finished piece, just to clear up some odds and ends and kind of make everything look right. So the next stitch that we're going to be going on to is another satin stitch, and it's the padded satin stitch, which will be for these little balls here. I'm going to go and get on with doing the padded satin stitch, so I'll show you how I get on tomorrow.